Wide lighting area. With the innovative wide angle and 3 heads design, adjustable heads can move upwards, downwards and horizontally. Up to 270 degrees wide lighting angle and 16 to 26 feet sensing distance. Easy to adjust the light heads, lens hoods and motion sensor to different angles as your requirement. Lighting direction is adjustable with the 3 flexible light heads. Save your trouble to install 2 extra light. No need for electricity. Environment-friendly product. All weather resistant. AmeriTop solar lights outdoor made of durable ABS material ensures this 3-head security light fixture can stand up to the elements and bad weather. IP65 waterproof rating ensures that your 3-head security light fixture won't give in rain, sleet or snow weather. It's specifically designed to withstand extreme weather conditions, all weather resistant and provide additional safety and security for your home. Wireless motion sensor lights, easy installation, no annoying wires or adapters needed. Only using the included screws to fix on any exterior wall constructed of all types of material including metal, wood or plastic.